If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Speechmatics, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received any verification emails from Speechmatics. Sometimes, the verification link may have been sent to a spam or junk folder, so check there as well. Step 2. Resend verification email. If you cannot find the verification email, go to the Speechmatics website and look for the option to resend the verification email. Follow the prompts to receive a new link. Step 3. Confirm your account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear browser cache. If your status remains pending after verification, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This can help refresh your session and update your account status. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Speechmatics customer support for assistance. Provide them with your account details and the description of the problem for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Speechmatics. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the support team.